Bienvenidos and welcome. Let me take you to this property that is a little escondido in the mountains of Leadville. You'll be able to see the two tallest mountains in Colorado. Feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. But let me show you this custom log cabin home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,400 square feet, almost 10 acres of forest in the mountains with million-dollar views. Let's go in. If you're looking for your next getaway home, give me a call, 970-274-6044. My name is Milton Arroyo, and I'm here to serve you.